Hi there! Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make Mexican-style beef sausage nachos. These nachos are loaded with Mexican-inspired flavor and toppings. They are perfect for game day or any day. Plus, we're going to make our own beef sausage. It's super easy to make and really packs a flavor punch. Thanks to the team over at Beef Checkoff for supporting my channel by sponsoring this video. So let's get started. So it starts with some ground beef. I use an 80-20 mix of ground chuck for this. So I have some vinegar, some oregano, some smoked paprika, and this is what's going to give us some of that smoky flavor in the sausage. I have some chili powder, some garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and then to give it more of a Tex-Mex flavor, I have some chipotle chili powder, just a little bit of that. This flavor combination is absolutely incredible. The vinegar is going to help tenderize the beef, and then all these flavors are just going to work their way right in there. This tool is great. This star-like shape on here just really works to break down any of those bigger chunks. It's perfect for any kind of ground beef recipe where you need it to crumble nicely. You can find the link for this tool in the video description below. I wish you guys could smell this. It's absolutely incredible. So I'm going back to my regular spatula now since I have them broken down into smaller pieces, just making sure everything is browned. Okay, so our beef is just about done here. You can see it has a nice brown color. So I have some jarred salsa. I'm going to add that in. You can use hot or mild, whatever you prefer. And some diced green chilies. These are the canned diced green chilies. If your family doesn't like heat, you could always leave them out. That's perfectly fine. And we're just going to stir that all into our beef sausage. Okay, so we're done with our beef mixture. Now we're gonna move on to the nacho part of our recipe. Okay, so let's start building our nachos. I have a rimmed baking sheet that I've lined with foil. Lining it with foil is going to make cleanup so much easier for you, so this is a step you don't wanna skip. So to this, I'm just going to put a layer of nacho chips. You can use whatever variety you like. Completely up to you. Now we're going to add our beef mixture. Beef is a real nutrient powerhouse. It has 10 essential vitamins and nutrients, including approximately half of your daily protein allowance. So it really packs a punch and it really beefs up these beef nachos. So I'm just going to spread this sausage over top. You can make the beef mixture ahead of time. Take these to your tailgate party and assemble them there. You'll be the rock star at the tailgate, trust me. Okay, so our beef is down. Now we're going to add a few more things before we pop these in the oven. So to this, I'm going to add some black beans. Spread those on. This adds a lot of extra fiber to the recipe too, plus they're just delicious. So I have some Mexican blend cheese here, already shredded. You could shred it yourself if you'd like. Now we're going to pop these under the broiler for a few minutes. So our nachos are done baking, and just look how that cheese melted down over that beef sausage and the black beans. So it starts with some shredded lettuce. On top of our lettuce, I'm going to add some tomatoes. I'm also going to add some black olives on top of this because I like them. You don't have to. And last but not least, I'm going to finish it up with a nice dollop of sour cream, and I'll just do a squirt of lime juice on top. All right, I think that's it. I don't know about you, but I am ready to dive into these. The smokiness from that beef sausage we made is incredible. This is a real winner. You've got to make these nachos. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.